So as you guys may have known by now that the base chain is known for giving us the most of the meme coins that have been exploding recently, and we just have another one of these base meme coins. This will be the next big thing on base because it had just recently launched and people are already giving it much attention and it is gaining a lot of hype and could possibly be the next big thing on the base chain. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what your opinion about this coin is, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. And now we are over at our screen, and the coin that we are looking at is called NORMIE. So this coin has just launched. We could see it, or it probably just got listed on CoinMarketCap, but we can already see it is a very recent coin, just launched today at around 2:50 a.m. That's what it shows based on the charts, and currently priced at around 5 cents, so 0.05889. It is down about 9% in just the past 24 hours, not even a full 24 hours after the listing. It is a bit down because we tend to see some sort of retracement. Even the whole market is down. You can see the overall market is down about 1.2%. So it has to these smaller coins have to be down also. And if we look at the left panel first, we could see the market cap is around 59, almost $60 million. So a pretty good number for a meme coin that just newly launched. So gaining crazy hype for a coin like this. The past 24-hour volume is around 8.3 million, so fairly decent volume because we are already seeing great attention on this coin, and as we see more attention, the price tends to rise. You could see the market cap to volume ratio is around 14%, which is also good because there are more long-term holders for this coin instead of day traders. So that is also a good sign. Total supply 1 billion normie coins, and we could see right here it has a base contract, so this is a base coin. And you could head over to the website to know more about this coin if you want to read about the tokenomics, or if you want to purchase it, you could check out these exchanges. It is on SushiSwap, Uniswap, HTX, LBank, and most of these coins. So you could head over to the site, read more about these coins. You could see strong community support, no taxes, contract renounced, liquidity burnt. So very safe coin that we could see here. No tax, no rug pulling. And this right here, if you scroll lower, you could see a step-by-step guide on how you could purchase this coin and where you could buy this from. So, and it gives you their contact address. These are all their socials. They're on Basescan, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, X, and you could check out their X page. And we could see how much of a big following they have around 18.6k followers, which is fairly decent because it is a fairly new coin. And that's basically what we are seeing. The page is pretty decent. It has pretty decent engagement, and it could go even further, as you can see, for the normies in base, on a mission to onboard the next 1 million normies to base. So their mission is basically bring users to base, and that is what it's basically doing as it is gaining attention. So also a very nice goal as a project itself. You could check out, you could even chat with them, I think, on Telegram. So you could go and do that. Also, they have a Telegram channel. And if we talk about this daily chart, not much to talk about the chart here since it is a very small chart. Nothing it's a hourly chart. If we look at it, we can see it has gone down because most of the market is currently down right now. If we look at the community panel, we could see I'm bullish on normie. Normie will be the #1 meme coin on base, and it is already gaining pretty good attention, and we will see more and more because since this is just newly launched, it will take some time to get our attention. So this is a very huge opportunity to buy right now and get on this early before it rises and you lose your opportunity. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about Normie, absolute banger coin, which will be the next big thing on base after it gains huge attention. The market is a bit down right now, but it will gain its hype back up soon, and this is expected to go crazy in the upcoming time. So do make sure to stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my other videos on this channel talking about more of these meme coins and altcoins that could go crazy in the upcoming times and that have pumped a lot. So do make sure to check those out so you can grab your next opportunity and you don't miss it. So if you did enjoy this video, hit this thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what your opinion about this coin is, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.